XTB is a trading platform that allows users to trade various financial instruments, including forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. Here's how to use XTB effectively. Open an account. Start by opening an account with XTB. Provide the necessary personal information, verify your identity, and fund your account. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the XTB platform and its features. Explore the different trading instruments available and review the various tools and analysis resources offered. Research and analysis. Conduct thorough research and analysis before making any trades. Use XTB's charting tools, technical indicators, and market analysis resources to identify potential trading opportunities. Place trades. Once you've identified a trading opportunity, use XTB's trading interface to place your trades. Specify the instrument, trade size, entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels as appropriate. Manage your positions. Monitor your open positions closely and adjust your stop loss and take profit levels as needed. Use XTB's risk management tools to protect your capital and minimize losses. Stay informed. Stay informed about market developments, economic news, and geopolitical events that may impact your trades. Use XTB's newsfeed and economic calendar to stay updated. Review performance. Regularly review your trading performance and analyze your trades to identify strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to refine your trading strategy and improve your results over time. Seek education and support. Take advantage of XTB's educational resources, webinars, and customer support services to enhance your trading knowledge and skills.